Today we have something quite interesting to unbox, and that is what's in that box right here. So we're gonna open this up and see how it comes in the box, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I will say I am really a fan of how this was packaged. This package seems pretty well. The box is sturdy. I didn't see any damage or forklift marks anywhere around the box, so I'm hoping that the jet is in pretty good shape. So without further ado, let's jump into it. I'm just gonna take this from this lengthwise angle so you can see better what's in the box. So nicely padded box with the foam on there. Let's take a look at what's in the box. So here we go. We got some Allen keys and looks like fuel caps for the vent. So we'll take care of that. Just gonna set that aside. Oh yeah, that looks good. Lights, servos, very nice. You can see that's the light there. Really good quality. Holy cow, look at that second light. That is a really nice looking wing. Set that down. Same story here. Really nice wing. Solid. That paint job, if you don't know what that is, it's the Fresno Air National Guard one of the F-15s has that color scheme, and that feels real good, real solid. The lights, everything about this, there's no damage. And again, your wire connections, beefy spars. Oh yeah, that feels good. And again, this is BVM, pretty much PNP, so really good quality. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed by this. The matte finish is absolutely fantastic. I can't even get my head around this. This is, wow, this is good. I'm happy. I'm getting really excited. Okay. So I'm gonna move this closer so we can see just how well this has been packed in here. I mean, this is exceptional. So there is so much padding in here, and that's the entire fuselage all the way to the front, like just padding everywhere. So this makes me feel like this probably survived the journey. Like there's straps here to hold the tail feathers in place. That right there is a nose cone, straps to hold it in place, and obviously straps to hold the entire fuselage in place. And not to mention that crate, like solid plywood. So I'm really liking this. BVM, you did good. This is gonna be my first BVM jet, but I get it now. This is good stuff. I mean, you can't. My Skymaster didn't come with this kind of packaging, so really happy so far. Oh, wow. So, vertical stab. Look at the paint job on that thing. I mean, wow. That's all I can say. Lights are installed. There's a light right there. And your wiring for your rudder servo and your light come in. Spars to attach this to the fuselage. This is a really solid piece. And let's look at the servo. Nice linkages, beefy plastic. This is neat. This is really nice. I mean, oh man, this is hard to beat. So far, I'm very impressed by this BVM product. I mean, look at that. It's so clean. Again, same story. Look at that paint job. Really clean, really tidy, no overspray, no drama, just clean, no damage, nothing. Like, that's impressive. I'm in love. There's no other way to say it. Okay, so this is one of the Stabilators. Again, the paint job on this is absolutely remarkable. Look at that. You can't find any flaws with this. Like, amazing. Looks like a mounting pin that somehow mates to the servo adapter inside the fuselage, so that's good. But again, job really, really, really well done, honestly. This is what it's supposed to be like. This is the second Stabilator. This is the right side one. Again, as expected, or as I've come to expect in 5 or 10 minutes of looking at this kit. Fantastic finish. Look at that. Really clean. I'm gonna set this down. It's got some bits in here. I guess these are like the scale antennas that will go in the jet. But again, look at that Eric's construction. Really clean. My goodness. I mean, wow. Now that leaves us with the fuselage, which is the only thing that's left in the box now. So here is the fuselage. This thing is huge. And it's in absolute perfect shape. I just pulled it out of the box. There are no cracks on any of the glass. This is intact. The starter plate is hanging down over here, so I'm just going to be careful with that and assemble it as I go along. But so far, this is so clean. I am very happy with the product right now. So you've got your control surfaces, nose cone, and the jet. And it just doesn't do it justice how gigantic this is. I think this might be slightly bigger than the T-38 in the back. But I can tell you guys, the paint job is absolutely fantastic. I mean, I know there are people who have BVM all day long, and this is no surprise. But to me, this is extremely impressive. Yeah, this is just good. I'm out of. I don't know how else I can describe this. It's just. So I get to put together a fantastic jet. Flip the jet around to see if there are any imperfections, and LED lighting. Honestly, there are none. I cannot see anything wrong with this. No scratches, no dents, nothing. And the paint job is just, again, flawless. Like, this is crazy. This is awesome. I am very, very happy with how everything turned out here today. So I'll be putting this together in the next few weeks. Plug and play, so there really shouldn't be much to do. My goodness, does this jet look good. So that's what the paint scheme looks like. It is a big bird. It is a huge bird. So can't wait to put this together. Should be fun. That's the quick look around.